the new update. So first thing, they added this ball. It was ideated by Puff Bro. Even though I don't know. Okay, but like it just the camera followed this, and it had to be like one of these cameras. Don't buy the background, and it just follows this like this. So just put it in the water, so then you can't see where it is. Well, basically, but like you can get it like that. So next thing is like oh yeah, I forgot about this. So if you change the mode, it makes a weird sound. And when creative, it makes this sound. And another thing is that they added this chainsaw, which if collides with an object, let's just say this right here. It does that, and it does like a lot of knockback protection. And there's a new map, like, but I don't have enough time to go into that map. So yeah, that's it for today's video.